But imagine how many hours of development time this could save a user. My name is Tanaka, and I'm a front-end developer at Plus Narrative. I work mostly on the front-end parts of projects, so this is a lot of design work and implementing a lot of what our design team has, as well as working with the back-end. What we have here is just a blank page with a whole lot of nothing. It's just a test page. I'm just going to use some of the basic building blocks that people tend to use to build a page. So I'm just going to have a banner. An interesting thing about this is that this is actually a block on WordPress that I set up. We had in mind the idea of working with users or clients who might want to further customize a web page or something like that they have in mind, particularly using the WordPress CMS or content management system. The thought process behind this is to allow the user to have a level of flexibility. Let's say we have a client or user who has very specific brand needs, or they have a very strict brand guideline. We can specifically set up some blocks using WordPress's Gutenberg Blocks. For example, a user who is called Christie's Bakery. I'm just going to give it a different design and give it a background image. A cookie here, and change the text color to something that is actually visible. Not a lot of effort went into having to completely change the design, but imagine how many hours of development time this could save a user. Imagine putting this into use means that we give a lot of power to the hands of the user. I'm just going to put in another block that I had whipped up for this. This is like a team block, so I'm just going to set the design to full width. Same thing. Here's an example of what it would look like when done. So imagine there being a couple of more blocks there and setting up a page in literally an hour or two. Search providers will tend to penalize sites that are too heavy. And as a result, this solution, which is a more lightweight one, which has these blocks built into the theme and has as few or as many as you might need, gets rid of that hassle by being as lightweight as possible, because Gutenberg, or the ability to have blocks, is actually already built into WordPress recently.